Hey guys, and welcome to my very first Shaul video, a shop with me and a haul from Dollar Tree. So I had so much fun shopping at the Dollar Tree the other day, but because I'm such a professional, my camera battery died midway through the process, but I found so many great things, so I thought I would combine what I found in store and what I ended up bringing home. Knowing the best things to buy at Dollar Tree is just following the seasonal trends. And right now, the floral section is amazing.
They are starting to think spring. I think some of my favorite florals this year is this pink one. That is really pretty. These ones actually look very, very real, and they come in all colors too. Oh, I really like that. They have scalloped edge ribbon. That's so pretty. And they have adhesive diamond wrap in these big sheets in all different colors, which could be really fun for a DIY project.
I ended up getting this floral form and this floral moss. I love this bright green, and I thought this would make a really adorable wreath that's gonna be perfect for springtime. And I love how it's like -9 degrees outside, but thinking about spring makes me happy.
Now is the time to scoop up stuff you need for Valentine's Day parties and all that stuff. You do remember this one from last year. These sold out really quickly. And then the chalk signs, those are cute. So they have all of these roses here, which are so pretty. And then they also have these.
I ended up making the heart wreath and it turned out so cute. And look how lazy I was with it. All I did was just stick it through the heart. I didn't even glue it or secure it down. And I can't wait to put this on the front door. And I also did grab the wall decal because this is a really easy way to decorate and these come off really cleanly from your wall. I don't know why you would buy your Valentines anywhere else but Dollar Tree. For $1, you get 8 Valentines and all of the Valentines come with a pencil. So I grabbed 2 packs. This is gonna be perfect for Carson's class. The best times to get organizing products at Dollar Tree are of course in January and also March in the beginning of spring. Right now they have some really bold basket colors. They'll have a lot of softer pastel colors come springtime, so if you have any organizing project planned, keep that in mind. And I just go through and pick up all of the stuff I need for upcoming projects because when you see them, they sell out super fast.
One product that I'm featuring in an upcoming video is this one right here. This is such a great find for in cabinet. So you'll see how I use that very, very soon.
Fun fact, the Dollar Tree poly envelopes now come in packs of 3, and I picked this up to store Carson's Lego directions. He is completely obsessed with Lego now, and I thought this would be a great way to keep everything organized on a very small budget. Good build, Carson. What should we name it?
Pumpkin.
Something I didn't get a chance to film in store was cleaning supplies. I did find these pink cleaning gloves, which I thought were awesome. I couldn't leave without them. And I also got these scour pads. This is an awesome, awesome deal. And a veggie brush. These are like $5 or $6 at the grocery store. It's the exact same thing and it's only $1. Every time I go into Dollar Tree, they've really stepped up their game in the cosmetics department. One of my favorite scores are these sensitive skin makeup removing wipes. These are great. And the e.l.f. products just keep getting better. I love these shine erasers. I use them all the time. And I did pick up this tube of coconut oil. I noticed they were almost sold out, and this also works really great as a cuticle oil. I was so excited about this one. I saw it by the checkout. It's a shea butter cream, and they come in a bunch of different fruit. And I picked this up because I thought it was adorable. It would make a great gift. You guys, it's good. I quite like it, guys. I quite like. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back and get some more of these because they're just so cute. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Shaul video. Definitely leave it a thumbs up if you did. And if you like DIY projects, getting organized and doing it on an extremely small budget, be sure to subscribe and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.